Hey, this is Nate from PartsPak.com. Today we're going to change out the 3-inch drain valve for the waste system on a camper. This one is a Bristol brand waste valve, and we have the new valve, if you can see here. I'll put the link at the bottom. It's a 3-inch slide valve with the seals included and the hardware to attach it. So all we're going to do is take out the 4 nuts and bolts on this unit and replace the slide valve. As you can see at the handle section here, you've got an arrow showing what direction it's supposed to go. One thing we've noticed, like we mentioned before, on the old valve you see an arrow pointing from the inlet side to the discharge side. It's on the top and the bottom there. The new valve does not have those markings, so we don't really have anything to go off of. We're assuming that this new valve doesn't matter which direction you put it in, but there is this little plastic nipple, see if you can see that, on the new valve. We're assuming that's just from the injection molding process, but on the old valve there is a mark in the same area. It's not a nipple, but a mark on the bottom of the valve, so they probably are using the same injection molding process, and we're going to put this nipple at the bottom to match similar to what the old valve is.
I might need your help to pull this apart.
Okay, we got the old valve out, and now while I'm holding this open, you can put the new valve in. And there's seals already in the new valve, so you just want to make sure you don't get those pinched. Get everything to fit in place good. Check your seals, and then you can put the 4 bolts and nuts in place, just hand tight. You don't want to. You want to make sure that you attach those with the same type of pressure on all 4 corners before you tighten everything up. All right, we've got everything in here hand tight. Now we're just going around in a circle, tightening up each corner a little bit at a time until it's secure. I believe that's a 7/16 inch wrench and socket on both sides. Alright, so the job is complete. The valve's in, the nuts and bolts are all tightened down. You can see as we pull this how firm that is, so you can compare that to your old unit, just to give you an idea of how good that seal is on a new valve. And that will be it. So like I said, I'll put some links down at the bottom of the video so you can see the different products that are involved. And thanks for shopping at PartsPak.com, where there's outdoor fun in every box.